Alrighty everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over everything I've done within the last 3 years to my 2004 Infiniti G35. Right off the bat, I have a whole body kit on this thing, so it doesn't look stock at all. I got the GT3 front bumper, along with the impul side skirts, tying into the charge speed rear bumper. I also went ahead and updated the taillights. So they're the 05 to 06 G35 tails. Car's paint, it's not a wrap, it's a Caribbean blue. It came like this when I first bought the car, but it was pretty damaged. I repainted it. Paint looks immaculate. Came stock with these chrome wheels. So it's the sport package, so it comes with these guys, 18s, and then we have the gold Brembo calipers. Went ahead and updated the rotors with Z1 drilled and slotted rotors. Can't go wrong with the Spec-D headlights. And the whole look of this car after adding the body kit on it, it adds so much more aggressiveness to it. I really enjoy the look of the car. The GT3 front bumper is probably my favorite. 5% window tint. Underneath the car, I went ahead and went with KW V2 coilovers. Right now they're sitting about 1/2 inch lower than stock. But underneath the car we have KW V2 coilovers along with hotchins sway bars, front and rear, along with Z1 sway bar endlinks. So, and then we have the front adjustable control arms. And then also underneath the whole car, every bushing you could possibly think of, they're all polyurethane now. And the way it drives like a brand new one. This is my daily, so when I was playing around with the coils, if I could leave it as low as I could, I would, but for the way I'm trying to drive this thing and, you know, daily drive it, take it on trips, it's not on bags, so I think for right now it sits pretty well. And going into the exhaust, I have a full Motordyne TDX 2 catback exhaust. And then I removed the stock cats, so I have the Motordyne high flow cats. And this thing sounds great. For the outside of the car, I believe that's all I've done. To hop into the motor, I'm gonna show you guys what I did to the engine bay. So I did get this thing tuned about a year ago now, and the car's still been running great. And ever since I bought it, the car's given me no trouble. I upgraded the spark plugs with NGK one-step colder spark plugs. So upgraded the plenum. I put a Z1 plenum spacer. I also added a Hitachi 75mm throttle body with the Z1 ztube. I ended up keeping the stock airbox. The only problem I had with it was one of the camshaft sensors, and I believe it was bank A. It was the one right behind the throttle body. And it's 20 years old, so I'm pretty sure that was the only reason why it went out. I got my tune from Saul Nismo Nights. He does great work with all the Nissans, Infinitis, VQs. It comes with, you know, just pops, crackles, flame map, and then just performance. So I'm very satisfied with how it runs. It was on the dyno. I'll put some videos up right now.
That's a lot.
That's a lot, dude.
Yeah, even probably just cruising. I know for...
Dude, you're the man.
Just wait till you drive it. The crackle map and the flame map are in there.
I really enjoy the tune, especially with this Motordyne whole exhaust, man. The high flow cats to the catback exhaust, you will not hear a cleaner like VQ. And in general, man, this car's 20 years old, and with a tune on it, and just with some maintenance, it runs great. So moving on to my trunk, I have a little 10-inch comp R kicker along with a Kenwood amp in the back. Recently just upgraded and got a backup camera. So I have a backup camera now. So I wired that through. That wasn't too much of a pain. Mainly my subwoofer that fits the whole trunk. I'm gonna show you guys the interior. I spent a lot in the interior and went with a carbon fiber steering wheel. Went ahead and upgraded the pedals as well. Mishimoto shift knob. And then we have a little Pioneer. I believe it's a 1500 NEX. This is the Scorche doubled in for the 2003 to 2004 doubled in. I did keep my navigation system, so yes, this does still work. So this is pretty fun to show people. And then for the headliner, I ended up switching out all the tan for black. Along with the carpet, I ended up ripping out the carpet and I dyed it black too, but that was about a couple months ago. You can kind of see where my foot wears. It's going back to gray. End up spray painting it instead of the suede, just for my time's sake. And to be honest, the way it feels, it's not that bad. Just don't go too heavy on the spray paint, the fabric spray paint. But I'm very satisfied with it. The car came stock with black interior. I know a lot of people do interior swaps when they have tan. But I got really lucky with this thing, man, all black. And now for my favorite part is the CarPlay. A little wireless Bluetooth connector. So it plays CarPlay for me. So I don't even have to have my phone plugged in. It just automatically connects for me. And then I'm also really happy about this install, the rear backup camera. So that's a plus. And, we have the navigation system that a lot of people, like I said, don't have. And then we could see our fuel economy, trip computer, maintenance. So I have it set for about like 2,000 for my oil change. So it'll tell me when that comes up. And then I could do the fuel economy. And then if I wanted to do my map, I could do my map too, but I just use this one. A lot of people have the little cubby that goes right here. So I like flexing on people with this that don't have it. On the dash, 140,000 almost miles. Sunroof works and everything on it. I did have to replace the driver's side window motor. Rear one's is stock and it's been fine. It hasn't given me any problems, but when this one was going out, it was making noise. If you guys can, like and comment, but comment if you guys have any problems with your car or anything. I've literally done everything to this car, you name it. Brake pads, rotors off, you know, intake off, throttle body, valve gaskets, exhaust, shocks, bushings, diff fluid, transmission fluid, anything you guys need to know, please leave it in the comments, and I'll be sure to either answer it or make another video on it, because I do want to make more videos. I'll show you guys what it sounds like and a little POV. Alrighty everyone, before I shut it off, I'm gonna let you guys in on these Motordyne exhaust sounds. Get a little downshift right here. All right guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what you guys want to see more and what I could help you guys out with. If not, hit me up on the Instagram DM. And yeah, peace.